Hi, meteorologist Tony Petrarca in the Pinpoint 12 Forecast Center. You've clicked on the Weather Now link on this Friday evening, a little, almost about 9 o'clock, looking at some new weather data and still pointing to really a half and half weekend. We've got some rain on the way for Saturday. Going to dry things out for Halloween Sunday. Looking at Providence now with cloudy skies, cool, dry, really no weather issues. We have rain on the way. It'll arrive after midnight and it'll continue when you wake up on Saturday morning. So here's the setup, looking at the satellite and radar composite, and you clearly see precipitation just outside of New York. Well, actually, moving into New York City right now through Pennsylvania. This will all lift to the north and east, arriving during the overnight. Let me show you the wider view. And you can clearly see that spin in the atmosphere, area of low pressure over Ohio right now. Put it right there. And this moisture tracking to the north. So what will happen is we'll get two waves of moisture. You see this first batch right in here. It's going to come in during the overnight tomorrow morning. And the secondary low pressure system, much like this one, will develop and move up the coast, giving us a steadier and heavier rain. That one's actually slated for Saturday afternoon, Saturday night. Let me show you the breakdown on this. You see this first batch arriving overnight, early in the morning. And then notice the second wave of moisture. Now, this is 9 o'clock in the morning, and at that time, we've got, just some light showers, but it's this area that's developing offshore. It's a line of heavier rain, some downpours, even some thunderstorms. And watch that make inroads into our area during Saturday afternoon, Saturday evening. Not out of the question to pick up 1 to 2 inches of rain from this, especially from afternoon into Saturday night. So there may be some localized minor street flooding. Bottom line, you're going to want to take it slow traveling on Saturday, a little extra travel time. Sometimes, especially in the evening and at night, it's hard to see the standing water on the roads or the street flooding, so you want to be careful. And here we are Saturday night at 11 o'clock, and we're still tracking some rain. Breaking it down hour by hour for Saturday morning, the precipitation is light during the morning. It's windy, but we don't have any kind of a windstorm like the storm that just came through on Wednesday. That was pretty rare. But, it wouldn't surprise me if we're gusting 30, 35 miles per hour on Saturday morning. It's a light rain or lighter rain in the morning. It's much heavier during the afternoon and evening, looking at temperatures in the lower to middle 60s, and that rain will continue on Saturday night as well. Bay forecast, not a great day to be on the water. Poor visibility, east-southeast wind, 15 to 20, but there'll be some occasional gusts, 25, 30 knots. High tide, Newport Harbor, a little after 4 o'clock in the afternoon. So, how about Halloween Sunday? We're actually looking pretty good, especially Sunday evening come trick-or-treat time. We are looking at temperatures, in the mid-50s. So now, there's a slight chance of an isolated shower during the day on Sunday, but even that is few and far between. It's basically a mild and dry day. And then Sunday evening, trick-or-treat time, those, 5, 6, 7, 8 o'clock in the evening, it's actually looking pretty good with temperatures in the 50s. So good, scary good. All right, so half and half weekend. Grab the umbrellas on Saturday. Some caution on the roads and maybe a little minor street flooding Saturday afternoon, Saturday night. And it's looking better for Halloween Sunday. All right, that's your latest Weather Now update. Thanks for logging in. We'll talk to you soon.